Welcome to MES College Marambally e-learning.
Hello everyone, I am Febina KR, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications. In this video, we are going to discuss about OSI reference model. Welcome to my lecture. This lecture gives a detailed description about OSI reference model. OSI model helps to understand how data is transferred from one computer to another in a computer network. OSI model was developed by International Standard Organization. This model is a layered framework for the design of network systems that allows communication between all types of computer systems. In the most basic form, two computers are connected to each other with LAN cable and connected, sharing data with the help of network interface card form a network. But if one computer is based on Windows operating system and the other one has Mac operating system, then how these computers are going to communicate with each other? In order to accomplish successful communication between computers, 7-layer OSI model was introduced. This model is now considered as the primary architectural model for intercomputer communications. This model also describes how information makes its way from application programs through a network medium to another application program located on another network. This model divides the problem of moving information between computers over a network medium into 7 smaller and more manageable problems, and this process is called layering. Now this figure shows the architecture of OSI reference model. There are 7 layers in this model: application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and the physical layer. Application layer. Application layer interact with the application programs, and it is the highest level of OSI model. Application layer contains management functions to support distributed applications. Example of application layer are applications such as file transfer, electronic mail, remote login, etc. Presentation layer. Presentation layer defines the format in which the data is to be exchanged between the two communicating entities. The basic functions performed by presentation layer are translation, data compression, and encryption/decryption. This layer receives data from application layer. This data is in the form of characters and numbers. This layer converts these characters and numbers into machine understandable binary format. This process is known as translation. Before data is transmitted, presentation layer reduces the number of bits that are used to represent the original data. This bit reduction process is known as data compression. It can be lossy or lossless. To maintain the integrity of data before transmission, data is encrypted. Encryption enhances the security of sensitive data. At sender side, data is encrypted, and at the receiver side, data is decrypted. SSL or Secure Socket Layer Protocol is used for encryption and decryption. The next layer is the session layer. Session layer provides mechanism for controlling the dialogue between the two end systems. It defines how to start, control, and end conversations between applications. This layer helps in setting up and managing connections, enabling sending and receiving of data, followed by termination of connections. Session layer has its own helpers known as application program interfaces, which allows applications on different computers to communicate with each other. Just before a connection is established with the server performs a function called authentication. Authentication is the process of verifying who you are. For this, the server uses a username and password. Once the entered username and password are matched, a session is established between your computer and the server. After authenticating, the user authorization is checked. Authorization is the process used by server to determine if you have the permission to access the file. If not, you will get the message saying you are not authorized to access this page. Both of these function, authentication and authorization, is performed by session layer. Transport layer. Layer below the session layer is the transport layer. It is responsible for delivery of the entire message from the source host to destination host. Transport layer controls the reliability of communication through segmentation, flow control and error control. In segmentation, data received from session layer is divided into small data units called segments. Each segment contains a source and destination port number and sequence number. Port number helps to direct each segment to the correct application, and sequence number helps to reassemble segments in the correct order to form correct message at the receiver. In flow control, transport layer controls the amount of data being transmitted. Transport layer also helps in error control. If some data does not arrive at the destination, transport layer uses automatic repeat request schemes to retransmit the lost or corrupted data. A group of bits called checksum is added to each segment by the transport layer to find out the received corrupted segments. Protocols used in transport layer are TCP and UDP. TCP is used for connection oriented transmission and UDP for connectionless. Network layer. Transport layer passes data segments to the network layer. Network layer works for the transmission of the received data segments from one computer to another located in different networks. Data unit in the network layer are called packets. The main functions performed by network layer are logical addressing, path determination and routing. IP addressing done in network layer is called logical addressing. Every computer in a network has a unique IP address. Network layer assigns sender and receiver IP address to each segment to form an IP packet. IP addresses are used for ensuring that the packets arrived at the correct destination. Routing is the method for moving data packets from source to destination, and it is based on the logical address format of IPv4 or IPv6. Path determination is the process of choosing best possible path for data delivery from source to destination. The next layer is the data link layer. Data link layer receives data packets from network layer. Data packet contains IP address of sender and receiver. There are two types of addressing, logical addressing and physical addressing. Logical addressing is done at network layer, where senders and receivers IP addresses are assigned to each segment to form a data packet. Physical addressing is done at data link layer, where MAC address of sender and receiver are assigned at each data packet to form a frame. MAC address is a 12-digit alphanumeric number embedded in network interface card of a computer by computer manufacturer. Data link layer performs two basic functions: framing and error detection. Physical layer. Physical layer provides physical interface for transmission of information. Its main function is to transmit individual bits from one node to another over a physical medium. Till now, data from application layer has been segmented by transport layer, placed into packets by network layer and framed by data link layer, which is a sequence of binary zeros and ones. Physical layer converts these bit binary sequence into signals and transmit over local media. It can be an electric signal in the case of copper cable or LAN cable, light signal in case of optical fiber and radio signal in case of air. So, signals generated by physical layer depends on the type of media used to connect two devices. At the receiver, physical layer receives signals, convert into bits and pass into data link layer as a frame. Frame is further decapsulated as data move through higher layers. Finally, data is moved to application layer. Application layer protocols makes the sender's message visible in the application in the receiver's computer screen. In this way, OSI model is helping to transfer data between hosts. So, these 7 layers of OSI model are lying behind the smooth functioning of internet. I hope all of you understood what is OSI reference model and what are the functions of different layers. Thank you.